Yes, hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. To all of you.
Good evening,
Good
Shravan. How are
evening.
you?
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir. I'm very
Shravan.
fine. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shravan. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Shravan Kumar and I belong to Ayodhya. I have completed my graduation from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Awadh University, and also post-graduated from the same college. At present, I am teaching in a primary school, and uh, I believe in humanism. My hobbies are teaching, reading, sometimes singing. That's all about me in short.
Okay, that's very good. And you have some good hobbies. You are teaching in primary schools. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
you know, uh, be a teacher in inter college.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to join inter college after leaving primary schools?
Because sir, I think I am capable of teaching uh, uh, elderly students, so I want to teach their.
What kind of difference would you get here? It means in inter college. How would you feel different?
I think here in when I teach in Parishadiya school, we have to teach. We have to begin from the very small things like from we begin the base of the students. That when I will be there in Inter College. I hope so. Uh, I hope so. There will be students to express my better ideas because in primary I have to come to the level of students from zero to upper class. Whereas in intermediate, I don't think so. There will be zero level students. There, I shall be very happy to deliver lectures to teach them.
Okay. Have you studied King Lear by William Shakespeare?
I have studied almost 30 years of Shakespeare, so I know a little about
Okay. What is the story of King Lear? Can you tell something? It means in two or three sentences.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is a story of King of Britain, King Lear, uh, who has three daughters, and he is an old man. He is lover of flattery, so he wants to be flattered by his three daughters. They all began one by one, and he also promised them to offer the bigger share of property. Who 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 praises who praises him in a best possible way.
Okay, that's very good. Uh, Please, someone, Ravi or Nidhi sir.
Okay, Shravan.
Yes, sir.
This time, what would you like to say? What do you like? Poetry, drama, or fiction?
I like poetry, especially Hindi poetry and English poetry both.
Hindi poetry and English poetry both. So you must have some idea about meter.
Yes, sir.
What is doha and what is a couplet or couplet?
Doha and couplet, same thing.
Are you
In Hindi it
sure?
is Doha, in English it is couplet.
What is doha? How will you explain?
Doha, it has also four parts of 26 lines. Sorry, 20. Uh, I can explain, sir, heroic couplet. I recite only dohas, so I have no idea how to express this, but I can
Okay,
explain.
what is couplet? Not heroic couplet. I am asking what is couplet.
Uh, uh, Two lines of iambic pentameter rhyming together.
What is iambic?
Iamb with one iamb with unstressed and stressed is a single iamb, and when there is a five pair of unstressed and stressed is iambic.
What is stressed and what is unstressed?
Stress stress word which takes a bit longer time in expressing, whereas unstressed takes shorter time.
Okay, Ravi sir.
Hi, Shravan. So you said
Yes, sir.
you believe in humanism. How is
Right.
humanism related to spiritualism?
As far as I think, spiritualism also teaches us the morality, also connection with divine power. And in the same way, humanism also believes in the help of human beings towards to be merciful towards everyone, like this.
Does humanism believe in divine powers?
I don't think so. Humanism believes in the humans just like human are, but all humans are equal. We should respect each other. We should help each other as much as possible.
Okay, so you wish to state that humanism and spiritualism are opposite or are in the same are similar.
At some extent, both are similar.
Okay, what are the two main similarities between these two? Humanism and spiritualism, two main similarities.
Spiritualism also teaches not to lie. Same case with humanism also. We should be merciful. We should be non-violent. Spiritualism also expresses these all the things.
All right, fine. Okay, so now tell me, I'm giving you a sentence and change it into indirect speech, right? So the sentence is, I said to
Yes.
Ravi, I said to Ravi,
Yes.
you must
Yes.
take medicine on time.
I told Ravi that he must take medicine on time.
So you want to say that must will not change into anything, must will remain must.
Yes.
Okay, did you consult any book for this or you are just speaking randomly? Have you checked it somewhere?
Not yet, but I am sure I am right.
Okay, you are not right. Anyway, tell me names of any two books of grammar that a teacher must read to teach class 11th and 12th.
Sir, I have read a book of K.P. Thakur and Wren and Martin.
Okay, what are the weak points in the book Wren and Martin? What are the weaknesses of the book Wren and Martin?
It is totally in English medium, and for the students of bilingual language, difficult to understand. But K.P. Thakur is easier to understand.
Any other weakness?
No, yes.
All right. How do you understand or what do you understand by the term phrasal verb?
Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are those verbs. Phrasal verbs are those verbs which are followed by sometime preposition or sometime with extra word, just like came across,
Mm-hmm.
and called upon, call on, called up, and many more.
So, how is a phrasal verb different from a regular verb?
Sorry?
How is a phrasal verb different from a regular verb?
Present verb is always compound, and regular verb is in single word.
Okay, what is the meaning of the phrasal verb put up? P-U-T, put, U-P, up, put up.
Uh, uh, to don't put up with such conduct.
What is the meaning of put up?
We have
Okay, not correct. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, last question. Suppose you become a teacher in an inter college and you have a class where you have 65 students and there are only 10 to 15 students who want to study. Others are come to school just to enjoy, just to have fun, and it is difficult for all the teachers including the principal to control the class, to manage the class, because the students are not willing to study. How would you handle such a class?
first of all, we will try to know. I will try to know why the students are not interested,
Okay,
and when I will come to know the reason why they are not interested, and then I will make a strategy to make them interest in study.
okay, what
And
will be the
when
possible
they will be
reasons?
interested,
What may be the possible reasons?
certain reasons may be the teachers, maybe possible reason maybe the teachers are not teaching them interestingly.
No, but that class
Sometimes
is,
if we
I'm
give
sorry to intervene, that class is disturbing all the teachers and all the teachers are struggling to teach the class. So all the teachers cannot be bad, and I mean, what would you do?
so I will tell them the story of becoming good person, how people struggled, and how they improved themselves and came to be known as good person. First, I will try to make them good human beings. It is very important in life to live a good, happy life. I will tell them several ideas. I will try my best way to improve them.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, that is the end of the interview.
हाँ बोलो.
Shravan?
कौन है अभिषेक?
Thank you, sir.
मैं क्यों फोन करूँगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shravan, this is not this is not being recorded. One thing I want to ask
मैंने
that
कब कहा कि दूध
in
आएगा?
most of the interviews you told that you
मैंने ये कब कहा
like
मैं दूध
Hindi
लूँगा?
poetry. Okay, which
Yes,
Hindi
sir.
poet
Yes,
do you
sir.
like? Which
क्या तुम-
Hindi poet do
क्या
you
तुम
like
रास्ते
the
से
most?
लड़ाई शुरू करना चाहती हो?
Sir, Ramdhari
Because मुझे
Singh
दूध नहीं
Dinkar.
देने में कल ही मना किया था.
Why? Which book especially?
नहीं,
Which
जब
book?
आ जाएंगे तो जब एक दो लोग होंगे कम से कम
Sir,
तभी ना, एक आदमी नहीं देना है.
Rashmi I have read almost
तुम्हें?
100 times.
100 times, okay.
मना कर देना चाहिए.
What is
था.
there in
Don't
Rasmirathi that you can contextualize with the present society, present Indian society? What is there in Rasmirathi?
Sir, in Rashmirathi, the poet describes, as I have felt some time in the society where there are many educated persons, even though I have felt ostracism. It's now we are talking, not interview. So I am telling sir, I have felt like
No,
that.
please go on. Please
If-
go on.
In my school as well, at present time, in my
Mhm.
school also, even though I went to seek permission from my DO to appear in interview, he didn't allow me without any under table money, and later on he agreed. I don't know why he was not letting me go there.
Okay.
I have no idea to say. But if had he studied Rashmirathi, he may have not committed such a mistake. So I think, as I have read Ramcharitmanas also almost 50 times, it's meaningful. So,
Mm-hmm.
so if I talk about the book, so Rasugati is uh, heavier than Ramcharitmanas, because in Ramcharitmanas there are some dohas, some references which doesn't fit a society, but in Rasugati there is nothing like that. So I think a
Mm-hmm.
literature lover must.
Okay. And I just asked of those who have been marginalized, and there is a talk of their rights. There is a staunch belief that marginalized should be put in center. They should not be you can say denigrated and put on verge. You want to say this?
Yes, sir. They must be given opportunity. Everyone is respectable as a human being. We must respect everyone. So, let me tell you two lines at the beginning of that poem. That begins, जय हो जग में जले जहाँ भी नमन पुनीत अनन को, जिस नर में भी बसे हमारा नमन तेज को बल को. दिनकर says, I respect the person who is well educated, who has good knowledge. I don't respect any particular caste. So that is the beginning of
Okay.
the
Do you
poem.
not
That-
think?
Wonderful.
Do you not think that Rasmirathi is also about the rights and the fight of good and evil of man? Do you not think that Rasmirathi is all about human rights?
Of course it is. Of course it is.
And casteism and other things are just a part of human mind. If there would not be casteism, there would be another problem, because it is human mind. Somewhere Dinkar is trying to clarify that it is human nature which always finds some pretension to do injustice in the society.
Yes, it is. But he gives several examples that we should not.
Okay. In next interview, I'll ask certain things from Hindi poet. If you are going to mention these things, okay? So
No,
be
sure,
ready.
sir.
Be
I
ready.
will tell you, sir, I can tell you several lines from several poets. I have remembered also big poems of 20 lines, 25 lines, and many more. And,
Okay, that's very good.
and sir, one thing more I want to inform you one more thing. Tomorrow will be my last interview, because the day after tomorrow by the evening I have to leave for Allahabad, so I shall not be available.
Okay, don't worry. Then you will have one more interview, and one more, and the last and the best interview. Okay, the last and the best interview.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I want review also from all of you today how it was.
No, it was good. From my side, it was very good. This time you presented yourself in a very good and a very apt manner. I don't think that there is any negative feedback from my side. Okay. Now let us see what other dignitaries want to tell.
Yes.
Okay, Shravan, am I audible? आवाज आ रही है
Yes,
आपको?
sir.
चलिए,
Yes, sir. Properly.
next time, whenever your interview is scheduled,
Yes.
be ready for teaching demo, and you should take
Yes, sir.
one topic from grammar and one topic from literature. Got it?
Okay.
In the interview, you may be
Yes,
asked,
sir.
okay, and we don't know
Yes,
कि
sir.
वो grammar से होगा या
I'm ready.
literature से होगा. So what's the suggestion?
Yes.
Select only that topic in which you are confident and you have thorough knowledge. ग्रामर में अगर वर्ब ले रहे हैं
Okay,
तो
sir.
वर्ब के all kinds with example, be
Yes.
ready. If you are taking parts
Okay.
of the speech, if you are
Yes.
taking voices, everything should be clear to you. And if you are
Okay.
taking any
Yes.
topic from literature, be ready. If you are teaching, usually we teach poetry because it's easy to memorize and easy to use. And if you take drama, take one short statement and you can explain that. Got it? So आप जो भी सेलेक्ट करिए, बी केयरफुल.
Yes,
अगर
sir.
आपने ड्रामा लिया तो एक्सपेक्ट क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू द फॉर्म, dialogue structure, story, author, age to which the author belongs. Got it? So expect that kind of questions.
Yes, sir.
So when you prepare yourself
Yes, sir.
for teaching demo, prepare in that way. Okay?
Yes,
The other thing
yes, sir.
you were told that whenever you inform, don't say my name, don't say this is, use I am. Okay?
Okay.
Again today,
Yes.
you started with my name is. Santosh
Okay.
had not
Right.
asked you what is your name. उन्होंने सिंपल कहा इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ. आप कह रहे हो माई नेम इज, हमने पूछा ही नहीं आपका नाम क्या है. गॉट इट? तो आई एम से स्टार्ट किया
Yes, sir.
करिए. यूजुअली
Yes, sir.
वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता कि वहाँ पे एक कोड मिलता है आपको, एक नंबर मिलेगा आपको, उसी
Okay.
नंबर से जाना जाएगा. Nobody will ask your name or
Yes.
other things. Got it? Whenever you mention that you are
Yes, sir.
teaching, whenever you mention that you are
Yes.
teaching, you raise the expectation high.
sir.
इंटरव्यू का जो एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है वो हाई हो जाता है. और आप जब बोलेंगे प्राइमरी में पढ़ा रहे हैं तो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया प्राइमरी से इंटर में क्यों आना चाहते हैं, योर आंसर वाज नॉट कन्विंसिंग. ओके? कि वहाँ पे जीरो है तो यहाँ पे ये है. Never say negative things about students. A good teacher is one who do not criticize his or her students. Okay? All the students are good. It's your
Okay, sir.
responsibility. This is the general perception. जो भी आपके टेबल के उस तरफ होगा वो आप अगर स्टूडेंट्स को ब्लेम करोगे, दे आर पुअर, दे बिलोंग टू पुअर फैमिली, दे आर नॉट सीरियस अबाउट स्टडी like this, if you say that, then you will give a bad impression. Okay, you are not a good teacher. You are putting blame on others. आप जो
Okay.
blame है वो दूसरों पे डाल रहे हैं, तो ये नहीं कहते. दूसरा, you should not criticize the primary section कि वहाँ पे facilities नहीं है, we cannot teach. You should not ये नहीं excuse होगा कि आपके पास limited resources हैं, इसकी वजह से आप जहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो वहाँ पे और limited resources हो सकते हैं. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you answer
Yes.
such questions, be careful. Positive होना चाहिए आपका जो reply है. In every way it should be positive. When you are making
Right.
comparison, किसी को आप उसमें तो हाँ दिखाना होता है कि that is better. बट इस तरह से नहीं दिखाते कि दूसरे को आपने जीरो कर दिया और इसको आपने उसका जो पोजीशन उसको हाई कर दिया. दैट्स नॉट द वे. ओके?
Okay.
तो
Yes.
अगर आप पहली चीज तो आप मेंशन ना करो कि यू आर टीचिंग. गॉट इट?
Yes.
अगर कर रहे
Yes,
हो तो
sir.
अपना आंसर प्रिपेयर रखो. दैट्स योर डिसीजन. वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि आप ऐसा ना कहिएगा. अगर आप ऐसा कह
Okay.
रहे हो कि यू आर टीचिंग एट प्राइमरी लेवल, ओके, डोंट से इन प्राइमरी, यू आर टीचिंग एट प्राइमरी लेवल, और यू शुड मेंशन आई एम
Okay, sir.
टीचिंग एट दिस प्राइमरी स्कूल. गॉट इट?
Yes.
समझ में
Yes,
आ रहा है? एट का यूज कीजिएगा. दूसरी चीज, अगर आपने मेंशन किया है तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्टेड है कि आप इसमें क्यों आना चाहते हो इंटर में. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
तो उसका आंसर एक
Yes.
अच्छा सा बनाओ और वो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. उसमें आपको प्राइमरी को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना है.
Okay, sir.
क्लियर हो गया? गॉट इट?
Right.
Otherwise, we
Yes,
are very happy to see the progress, ना? Progress in you.
Thank,
Okay?
thank
So,
you.
and we hope कि आप उसमें अच्छा कर पाएंगे. ये कुछ माइनर चीज़ें हैं जो लोगों को नहीं यूजुअली पता होती, तो ऐसे हो जाता है. गॉट इट? कोई बहुत बड़ी डील नहीं है, लेकिन हमें रेडी रहना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है? आपको 3 चीज़ों पे काम करना है.
Yes,
आपको
sir. Definitely, sir.
टीचिंग डेमो रेडी करना है, उसमें अच्छे से पढ़िए, और अगर आप हिंदी मेंशन कर रहे हो तो कंपैरिजन के लिए भी रेडी रहो. जैसे आपसे पूछ दिया गया दोहा और कपलेट, तो आपको नहीं पता दोहा क्या है, है ना। और जब पोइट्री बोल रहे हो, हिंदी भी पोइट्री बोल रहे हो आप, इंग्लिश भी पोइट्री बोल रहे हो, तो दोनों के जो फॉर्म्स है उसको ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना। आप ये ना सोचे कि वहाँ जो बैठा हो, जैसे संतोष सर ने आपसे कई सारे क्वेश्चंस किए, जो आपका फेवरेट हिंदी का ऑथर है, तो वैसे ही वहाँ पे जो बैठे होंगे उनको हिंदी का भी नॉलेज होगा। वो आप ये ना समझे कि वहाँ पे हिंदी नहीं जान रहे होंगे, हम कुछ भी बोल के निकल लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा। गॉट इट? तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर रहिए, कंपैरिजन के लिए रेडी रहिए। आपसे अगर मान लीजिए आपने दिनकर को कहा, तो दिनकर से सिमिलर कोई फिगर है इंग्लिश में, आपसे पूछा जा सकता है। तो इस तरह क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्ट करिए, जो भी आप वहाँ पे कहेंगे क्वेश्चंस उसी से पिक किए जाएंगे। आपने जिस राइटर को बोल दिया तो उसी राइटर से क्वेश्चंस आपसे होने लगेंगे। गॉट इट? दो तरीका, एक तो आप इंटरव्यू को छोड़ दीजिए, जो वो मन करे पूछता रहे। एक होता है कि आप खुद अपने फील्ड में उनको ले आइए। गॉट इट? तो वो तब हो सकता है जब आप, जैसे मान लीजिए आपसे कोई पोइट्री का, तो आप पोइट्री में एग्जाम्पल दे दिए किड्स का, तो वो जो दो एग्जामिनर होगा किड्स के बारे में पूछना स्टार्ट कर देगा। तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन लीड द इंटरव्यू। गॉट इट? तो दैट्स माय सजेशन, प्रिपेयर योर टीचिंग डेमो, है ना। एंड जो आपने आंसर दिया प्राइमरी स्कूल से इंटरमीडिएट को, जहाँ वो कन्विंसिंग नहीं था, उसके लिए रेडी करिए। व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बी अ टीचर, ये भी एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, तो आप इसको भी रेडी रखिए। गॉट इट? इसमें कुछ फिलोसफिकल ले आइए, महात्मा गांधी को ले आइए, किसी को ले आइए जिसको आप जिसको कोट कर सकें, जिसके व्यू को आप अपने में इंकॉर्पोरेट कर सकें, ऐसा कुछ करके आप रेडी कर लें। गॉट इट? ये 3 चीजें जरूर आप तैयार रखिए। ओके, गुड लक।
Ravi, do you want to say something?
Yes, Shravan, you must will change into had to, HADTO, had to, and so must will not stay the same. You should correct that when you convert a direct sentence into indirect. And when you talk about the humanism versus spiritualism, humanism believes that humans are the center, that human beings are in the center. All the ideas should be, and everything else should be around human beings. That is the human values. Whereas spiritualism keeps the center outside humans, maybe some divine power or something. So that is one thing about your answers. Other than that, your grammar is good as far as your performance in the written test is concerned, because I have seen you have performed good in the PGT mock test also. But there are some basic things that you should study if possible. Even when you are traveling in train, try to go through some basic points, like yesterday Nidhi sir told you about parts of speech, types of verb, then some basic definitions like phrasal verb, etc., and some examples of each and everything. I mean, almost all the top things, like adverb. How do you define adverb? Tell me. How do you define adverb?
Adverb is a word which modifies a verb as an adjective. Adverb is a word which modifies a verb or adjective or adverb itself.
Okay, give me an example where an adverb is modifying adverb.
Just like he is running, he is walking slowly.
Okay.
He is walking slowly. He is walking very slowly.
Okay, good. So the way you answered this question, you gave a definition and then you gave an example. Similarly, other difficult topics that you may find, like phrasal verb or preposition or whatever is there, please just go through all these basic definitions and examples, because they may be asked. Okay. And then the meaning of the word put up. The meaning of the word put up is to stay somewhere, to live somewhere. Okay. So that is the standard meaning. So this is all from my side. Thank you. Good luck. Have a good time.
Okay, Shravan.
Yes, sir.
ये थोड़ा सा awkward होता है, आप बार बार आर बोलते हो, है ना, ओ आर को बार बार उसको आप आर बोलते हो,
Okay.
ए आर ई, वो भी आर नहीं बोलते, है ना, और वो और होता
Okay,
है,
sir.
okay, this or that, okay, we say this or that,
Okay, sir.
we don't say or, r is silent there, got it?
Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक दिन में
Right,
improve नहीं
sir.
होता, got it? लेकिन वो बार बार आर बोलते
Yes,
हो ना,
sir.
वो
Yes, sir.
दैट्स इरिटेटिंग, तो उसको थोड़ा सा आप माइंड करो, बाकी
Yes,
एवरीथिंग इज
sir.
फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज ओके, यू आर डूइंग गुड, गॉट इट? सो बी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑलवेज
Yes, sir.
व्हेन इन द इंटरव्यू
Yes,
रूम,
sir.
है ना, बस इसको थोड़ा सा आप